National Industrial Court has granted the Attorney General of the Federation, the AGF, an order restraining the NLC, the Nigeria Labour Congress, from going on strike, pending the hearing and determination of the suit brought before it by the AGF. Ruling on an ex parte application filed by the AGF on behalf of the federal government, the presiding judge, Justice Babatunde Adejumo, ordered the parties to maintain status quo until the hearing and determination of the ex parte motion. The order will lapse in 7 days. Justice Adejumo also directed the applicants to dialogue with the NLC towards an amicable resolution of the dispute. The case has been adjourned to the 24th of May for the hearing of the motion on notice filed by the AGF. The Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, had sued our NLC at the Industrial Court, seeking an order of the court restraining them from proceeding with tomorrow's strike. Mr. Malami had sought an order restraining the NLC from going ahead with the strike because it will paralyze the nation's economy. When asked by the presiding judge how the AGF knew the NLC is planning to go on strike, Mr. Malami says he saw the communique issued by the NLC on their website and that the communique had been published by the media.
Well, much more than that. The issue has to do with as to whether the conditions precedent are observed, as to whether the policy decision is something on the basis of which the Labour Congress can embark on strike action, because this has to do with an issue that borders on policy. We were surprised that when the scarcity was biting hard, there was no action taken by the Labour Union, and now that the scarcity is no longer there, they are embarking on strike action. So we have to come to court to seek for determination as to whether they are entitled by law to embark on strike action on a policy decision that has to do with deregulation or otherwise. The specific prayer is that there should be an injunction that no strike action should be embarked upon until after parties come to court, place their respective positions, and then the court take a final determination.